Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary. I make a lot of skincare and hair care reviews and makeup tutorials as well. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified whenever a new review video is uploaded. This hair oil comes in two different variants. The first one is 399 rupees for 150 ml of quantity. The second variant costs 599 rupees for 250 ml. This product comes in a plastic bottle packaging. It has a flip open cap. However, the 250 ml variant comes along with a comb attachment too. The ingredients are a blend of all of these different oils, and it doesn't contain any other chemical or any other ingredients apart from these oils. So as per this product which I have with me, in the ingredient list it says it has synthetic fragrance, but while editing this video I went on their website and their app and I checked, their ingredient list does not have synthetic fragrance. So I'm not sure, it is so confusing because the sample size which they sell on Smitten has synthetic fragrance, but the website does not state any fragrance in it. So I am very confused. So I'm not sure what is the correct information. So just wanted to put this message across. I don't keep any oils overnight in my hair because I sweat a lot in my scalp and all over my face. So if I keep it overnight, then it would start dripping and cause a lot of breakouts for me. So that is why I don't keep it overnight. But what I do is I just apply it like 1 to 2 hours before shampooing my hair, and that is how I like to use hair oils. Let's talk about the pros of this product. This is a very lightweight hair oil. It doesn't feel like very heavy like a coconut oil, and it gets washed off very easily along with a sulfate free shampoo. But after applying the hair oil and keeping it for an hour or two, it does feel quite relaxing in the scalp and it feels nice, just like with any other hair oil. I had applied this hair oil yesterday and it does give a little bit of shine to the hair, as you can see right now, and it feels smooth and nice. It's time to talk about some cons of this product, and I know that you've been waiting for this part. As I mentioned, they have added synthetic fragrance in this particular product. It had a few Ayurvedic ingredients too, so I thought the fragrance is coming out of that product. But when I checked the bottle, it was written that it has synthetic fragrance too. So in spite of adding synthetic fragrance to this product, it still smells bad. It's not so strong like their hair mask. Their hair mask, onion hair mask, also smells bad, but it is not so strong like that. But it definitely has a bad fragrance. Second con of this product is that it did cause me little bit extra hair fall than usual. I tried using it with shampoo and conditioners that I have used before, and those products that has worked for me, but it still caused me more hair fall every single time that I had used this product. That is all from my overall review of this hair oil. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more such skincare, hair care reviews and some makeup tutorials, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that's all for today. If you're interested in knowing more reviews of this brand, I have a playlist for you. I'll leave it in the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.